Hello everyone. We are proceeding with our foundation work, and this is all about. This tutorial is all about slab steel bar or slab reinforcement bar, which you can also use the template or the customized template for um raft slab and suspended slab. Let me show you the section. Let me show you the section of this. This is ground. According to this structural drawing, this is ground floor slab details, and this is the section. This is the section. This is the section. We have full mats at the top, both vertical and horizontal reinforcement bar at the top, and at the bottom you have full reinforcement bar with laps. As you can see, you have laps at the top of the raft beam. So let me show you the pictures. Some pictures. This is raft slab. This is the top. I don't know, maybe you can see it clearly. This is the top reinforcement bar, horizontal and vertical, and this is hose bar. The function of this hose bar is to raise the top bar up so that when casting or when workers are working and moving here and moving on the reinforcement bar, it won't press it down. It will maintain a stable position so that the top bar won't press down and it won't break the plumbing work or electrical work, so that it won't have any effect on the plumbing work or anything placed under the reinforcement bar. That is the function of this hose bar. So this is the we have top and bottom bar. I want to show you something. This is the bottom bar, the one under this reinforcement on top of the raft beam is the bottom bar, and this one that is on the beam is the top bar, and this is the laps. You have laps at both sides. Same thing applicable to this one. This is the bottom bar, is on the top of the concrete, and the top bar is on the top of the beam. Let me show you another picture. This is the reinforcement, and this I want to show you laps. You have two laps. At the both side. So you have reinforcement at the top. So according to this picture, we call this one top, and the one under it, we call it top bottom. Understand, top bottom. And this one under it on the concrete, we call it directly on the concrete, we call it bottom, that is BB. And the one on top of the bottom bar, we call it bottom top, that is BT. Yeah, we call it BT. Good. I haven't scaled this page. I haven't scaled it. Oh my god. So let me scale it. Let me scale it so that make our work fast. I'm very sorry that I haven't scaled it. Let me scale it fast. Let me confirm it. Okay, okay, yeah, it's correct. It's okay. So good. So let us start with the templates. Yeah. So let me first explain some things before we start customizing a template. So firstly, in this tutorial based on two aspects. The first one is um, counting, taking off with counting takeoff tools. I'm going to make use of counting, like uh, count method, takeoff tools, yes, and using linear method, count method and linear method, yeah. So good. Then first explain this. We have this is T. This T means top. It means top bar. Top bar. It runs like this. Anywhere you see this call out, this dimension, something like dimension from this point to this point, and you see these dots on the reinforcement bar, that means you have to trace this call out to this side or vertically, able to know that, able to determine the details of the drawing. So this is 18 numbers of Y12, bar mark 01, and the center to center is 200 mm. So now this reinforcement start from this point and end here, as in how it is being distributed, and the reinforcement bar runs from here to this side and bend like this, and bend like this. For okay, let me now want to sketch something. This is raft slab, right? So for raft slab, this is how the reinforcement is being placed. For raft slab, something like this. It turn upside down. It's turn upside down. That is how Raft Foundation slab is being positioned, is being placed, and now place it like this. Slabs, you understand? But for suspended slab, it's vice versa. Like as it is now, you turn it again upside down. I'm coming. Let's bring it like this. You get it? So this one is for raft slab, and this one is for suspended slab. So let me delete it. Yeah. So I've explained this one, right? So let me now explain this one. Let me check this one. Okay, good. For this reinforcement bar, start from here and terminate here, and this beam. So check this call out. This dot that is on it, and this is how it is being distributed. Let us check it out. Start from here, it stop here, and it continue from here. This is beam. This is beam. This is raft beam that runs from this point to this point. So this reinforcement, where am I? Okay, yeah, it continue from here. Anywhere you see anything, any space like this, that means there's a beam here, suspended and raft beam. So it continue, it continue, it continue. So it stopped here, it stopped here. You understand? It stopped here, and this line pro proceed. or extend forward in order to call it out to show the details of it. So we have 46 numbers of it of Y12, bar mark 11, and center to center 200 mm. See, that is top bar. So that is how it's being done. So let me explain this one. This one is supposed to be bottom. Yes, this is bottom bar. Yeah, this bottom bar, pick from this point, stop here, continue from this point, stop here, continue again, stop here, continue again, stop here. That is how it's been distributed. So let's get started. Let's go to our template. Let us continue with the previous one we've done. I have to explain it before we start customizing it, you understand? And I've done that. So just click on reinforcement folder. Then just start with can't take off tools. So let us name it as slab steel bar. Slab steel bar. Slab steel bar. Click on advanced. Click on advanced. Now it is time to add properties. Let's first add diameter. Diameter. Let's add diameter. So let us add this. Let us add the formula for the diameter, or the size of reinforcement that can come across on the drawing for slab, like 10 mm diameter, 12 mm, and 16 mm based on the drawing. Click OK, and you see now there will be a drop down for you to select anyone you like. So let us proceed. After diameter, you have bar weight. Bar weight. Bar weight. What is the bar weight of 10 mm? The bar weight of 10 mm is 0.617. Of 12 mm is 0.889. Of 16 mm is 1.579. Yeah, I got it. Sorry for the last tutorial that I mixed it up. So now, after bar weight, you proceed with center to center. Center to center to center. Center to center, you can make use of, based on the drawing detail, 150. Sorry, I make use of 200. I make use of 250. Yeah. After center to center, you create long side and short side. Long sides. Next, short side. After that, long bar laps and short bar laps. Long bar laps. Then short bar laps. After that, I'm going to create total short bar length and total short long bar length. Total long bar length. And just copy it. Let not waste our time. Just paste it. Total and edit it to short bar length. Good. After that, you have short bar quantity and long bar quantity. There is long bar quantity, long bar quantity, short bar quantity. So after short bar quantity, so we are going to move. So you can move all the properties that we've created. You can move it upward. Not not to waste our time. So you can move it upward by yourself. You understand? So now on quantity. So what I'm going to do now is that just delete this take off. And before you customize this formula for the quantity, let us first customize the formula for some of this. So now let us start with total short bar length or log bar length. Total log bar length. So we have long side for total log bar length. So I'm going to move long side, long side, long side plus long side plus long bar lapse, long bar lapse. Understand? Then for short bar length, that will be short side plus short bar length. Short bar lapse. Yeah. So it remain long bar quantity and short bar quantity. Let me first extend this formula. Short side divided by short side divided by center to center, close the bracket. Yeah, after closing this bracket, now add +1. The reason why I had 1 to is that after getting the quantity of reinforcement bar for the side, you understand, as in numbers of reinforcement bar, when you get, you now add 1 to it in order to take care of off cut or any wastage. You understand? That's one number adding to the numbers I'm going to get here. The servers this to one servers to replace wastage. Yeah. So cover it or cover the brackets. Yeah. So after that, now multiply it with total long length, total long bar length. Yeah. So this is how to get. After this, let me enlarge this more. Close it bracket and round it up, that will add up to it. So coming down to short bar quantity, same thing. That will be long side. That will be long side divided by center to center plus 1. Before you add +1 to it, close this in bracket as we did the first one. Close it again in bracket. Yeah. Multiply by total short length, just total total short bar length. Yeah. Now close it and round it up. Yeah. After that, this long bar labs and short bar labs, I will explain when you get to the taking off aspects. So let me fix the units. Bar weight is kg, center to center, meter, long side, meter, 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 meter. Yeah, yeah, meter. So you can check it out. Like it's able to show on the form layout. Yeah, the quantity. Before you come down to quantity, let us activate this, delete it, and bring the quantity down to the takeoff so that anything you get on quantity will be able to transfer to the takeoff. Kg as the unit, kg as the unit. So to customize to activate formula for this quantity, that will be short bar quantity plus long bar quantity, or long bar quantity plus short bar quantity, any one of the two. Just move it, long bar quantity plus plus short bar quantity, close the bracket, multiply with point, point count. Yeah, okay, close the bracket again. Then after that, multiply it with the bar weight. Oh no, the sign as in display. Multiply with bar weight, units in kg. Okay, that's the form layout. Yeah. Let's bring the name upward. Okay, good. Let us bring all this downward. Just bring diameter up, center to center up. So you can rearrange it also. You can rearrange it. But yeah. So we are good to go. Let me reconfirm. Total long bar length. That will be long side plus long bar lab. Total short bar length. Go to short side plus short bar length. Yeah. Long bar quantity, that will be short side divided by center to center plus 1 to get the quantity that will be at the side. Now multiply it by the total long bar length. Total long bar length, yes, to determine. Yeah. I got it. Since applicable to this one, divided by long bar. Yeah, multiply by total short bar length. Yeah, got it. So now click on form. Yeah, not all. What is wrong? What is wrong with me now? So all this you need to show it. All this one you need to show it. Yeah, don't need to show it at all. Yeah, good. bar width, long, yeah. You can even move this bar width up. Yeah, good. Yeah, long side, short bar, yeah. So let us take off. Okay, let's go to home. So now, for this is, let me first show you this picture. Yeah, so now, for this top bar, this is called top. The one under is top bottom, that's TB. So this this one on the ground, on the concrete, or on the formwork, anyone. This one is, no, let me show you. Okay. This one is one at the bottom, that is bottom, that is BB. And this one, it is BT, bottom top. You understand? So now, for the labs that I say I'm going to explain, assume that the dimension for the length, for the long side or short side from here to here is 10 meter. That shows that what's added to it is the lap, and the lap is one side. For example, if you break it here, this is 5 meter and this is 5 meter, just an assumption. Yeah. So the lap started from here to here. Just so that we have one side lap. You understand me? Yeah. That's what I'm trying to explain. Yeah. So now for the top and top bottom now, so that will be, this is our length long side and this is our short side. So this is top. Let me check top here. This is the top bar. So we are working on top bar now. Top bar, this is horizontal one, and this is the laps. For example, if from here to here is 10 meter, so the lap we start from here to this side. Let us confirm the lap so that I can just assume we have now then now then plus here. Good. So what is the lap for this one? You have 500 plus. So averagely, let us use 850 as our lab. Understand me? So here we have 2 points of lab at this point and at this point. For example, in Nigeria, the total length of reinforcement bar is 12 meter, but now here. So now, what I'm trying to say is that instead of 2 labs, we can make it 1 lab. But according to the drawing, so we have 2 labs here. We have 2 labs here. You understand that 2 points, right? 2 point lab. 2 point labs. Good. So now, what I'm going to do now is that for the horizontal, we have 2 points of labs, of vertical. Vertical. Let me check this one out. Call out of this one. This top. Okay. This one and this one. They are top bar. So we also have 2 points as our labs here for the vertical. So now, what I'm going to do now for the labs, we're going to make use of 2 points of labs. You understand? So let us start with taking off right now. Click on this. At a steel bar, slab steel bar. It is Y12. That is diameter. The diameter is 12 mm all through both bottom and top. It's 12 mm. So 12. Center to center is 200. Bar width 0.889. What is the long side? Long side is 16.845. Long side is, short side is 15.756. Log bar labs. Oh, sorry. I didn't show the lab. Okay. Okay. Short bar labs. What is the short bar labs? So you said approximately 850, right? Averagely 850 multiply by we are according to what I show you guys here. We have 2 points. 1, 2. Same to applicable to vertical. 1, 2. And the labs is start from A to A. That is one side labs and 2 points of labs. One side and 2 points of labs. You understand? Both vertical and horizontal bar. That will be by 2 because of it is 2 points. Just copy it here from here and paste it here. They are the same. Yeah, I think okay. Just want to confirm. Yeah, click OK. Click OK and click as 1 point. Let me check. You have 2638.6 kg kilogram for the top and top bottom bar. So for the bottom and bottom top, what I'm going to do now is that let me first adjust what I did. And check this one. Yeah, so for the bottom, let me check, let me show you guys the section. This is the bottom. We have full mat at the bottom, same applicable to top. You understand? Okay. For the bottom, let me check this one. All these one that I seen here, they are bottom, and bottom top. So it's run from here to here. You have lap here, lap here, all through. Even this one run from here to here. Run from here to here, like that to this side. Anywhere you see anything like dimension 9, it means the reinforcement bar run from starting from to this point. You have 17 numbers here. You have also have 25 numbers here. So for this reinforcement bar now, reinforcement bar is distributed from this point to this point. Same to applicable to all these ones. That is the horizontal bottom and bottom bar. Let me check the vertical. This one is vertical, I guess. Yes, this is bottom. This is vertical. So this is the vertical. It's run from here. So it will lap on this. This one will lap on this because this one is also distributed like this. This is the top bar and this is the bottom. It lap on this one. It also lap on this two. This one also lap on this 3. This one also lap on this 4. Also lap on this 5. This one lap on this 6. This one lap on this 7. This one lap on this 8. You understand? You have 8 numbers and you also have 10 numbers here. 10 numbers horizontal, 8 numbers as vertical. So the ball is your court. You can follow up with the lap. You understand? According to what I explained on top bar, the lap start from here to here, not that like this, like this. Just start from here to here. Also start from here to here. One side here to here, one side here to here. But the point The position are just 10 number 10.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to lap on this one. So now let us take off for it. Click on it. Diameter is 12, center to center is same thing as 200. Bar width is long side is 16.845, while the short side is 15.753. Okay. So for this one, yeah, for this, let's cancel this. For this, I have to confirm the labs as we did for the top. So we have approximately 400. Let me reconfirm. Let's use 415. 415. Let us use 415. Yeah. That will be Y. It's also Y12. It's also Y12, yeah. So diameter is 12. Center to center 200. Bar weight this. Long side is 16.845. Short is 15.756. We are using 450 as the lap. By what? For the long, this is the long side. This is the long side. We are using 10. Yeah. Short side 450 by 8. That will be 8 points. It's going to lap. Click OK. Yeah. Escape. Just confirm this. So this is the difference. Can you see the difference? So now let's proceed with the second method on how to take off for slab steel bar by using linear method. Just copy this, copy it, click on linear, paste it, click on advanced. Don't have much property that we are adding to it. Just let me re-explain. Click on quantity, click on add properties, add diameter. Diameter, you can also make use of 10 mm or 10, 12, 16. Add bar weight. Bar weight of 10 mm is 0.6617 approximately, or 12 mm is 0.889 approximately, or 16 mm 1.579 approximately. So diameter meter, bar weight is kg. Yeah. And what is after bar weight? Add the numbers, numbers of reinforcement bar. You understand? That to be numbers of steel bar. Click on OK. Number of steel bar. Yeah. You know this as a unit kg. Yeah. Take off. Okay. Just bring the quantity down to it so that the after my final answer we get in quantity move down to the takeoff kg. Yeah, so yeah, the formula for the quantity now is linear total, that will be linear total linear total okay, linear total multiplied by numbers of oh, linear total multiplied by numbers of steel bar. Then close the bracket and multiply with bar width. Multiply with bar width. Can also round it up. Round it up, yeah. Check it and check all this and check it. Excluding the column. Yeah. Check your form layout. Yeah. Click on form. Yes, diameter bar width number of cylinder. Yeah. Click OK. Back to home. So now back to home. So now this one will take much time. No, this one second method will take more time. So just take off for some of the reinforcement bar because I prefer the first one to this, but it depends on your choice. So now let's get started. For this one, this reinforcement bar, it starts from here to where. That is how it's being distributed. So the length starts from here. It's distributed from this point to this point, and the length starts from here to here. So now just click on this. This 10 mm, right? 12 mm, sorry. 12 mm bar width. What is the numbers? 18 numbers. Okay. Make sure that. Okay. Click on A. Yeah, click on A again for a second. Let escape. What do you get? For this, you get 80 kg. So let's first check another one. Let's check another one. Yeah, for this, okay, for this reinforcement bar, this is this. Anywhere you see anything like dot, that's like circle that intersects between this something like dimension 9, this thing, understand me? This shows how it is being distributed, and the reinforcement bar. Anything circle like this, that shows that this reinforcement bar is being called out, like it is being distributed. It is being shown that this is how it's being distributed. For example, like this one now, this one, it is distributed from this point to this point. Can you see the dots? Here's the continuation. Proceed to here. It stop here. You understand me? Stop here. So not just take off for this one now. This one is also the top Y12. That is 63 numbers of Y12. 63 numbers of Y12. 63 numbers of Y12. Y12. 63 numbers. Okay. Okay. Press A. Yes. Press A. Sorry. Press A again. Yeah, yeah. And you get 451 numbers. Let us add one more. Can you see this one now? Let's check the numbers of this. You have 46 numbers. Y12, 20 center, 46 numbers. Can you see? So you have 46 numbers. Diameter. It's also Y12, 46 numbers. Yeah. Press A again. Yeah. Yeah, press escape. Just check it. You get 474 kg. So now I think you can understand how I customize the templates and how I use it to take off quantity. And if there's any question, you are free to ask me any question based on this tutorial. You understand? You're free to ask me any question or on anything that you didn't understand. Thanks for watching. Our next tutorial is also based on reinforcement, but don't worry. Till then, just make sure that you subscribe on this YouTube channel in order to get updated on new video being released to the channel. Thanks for watching.